Hey everyone, today we're at Classic Car Wash in Belconnen. As you can see, we have a Laserwash M5 touch-free system made by PDQ. So yeah, we've got a bit of wait, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Rightio, so it's now a turn. Stop. And here we go. Let the wash begin. I'm not sure if we should do a vacuum.
See how you go afterwards.
Yeah. So just a traditional laser wash machine. I've actually not been through the M5 in a while now, actually. Haven't I?
Yeah, it's been a while.
So that's kind of why I want to go here today. Since I haven't been seeing them a lot lately around this country. They're becoming more rare in New Zealand though. Although, funnily enough, I've actually never filmed one with dryers, but I've done the other two that have had dryers. A Laserwash 360, not to mention the 360 Plus,
Yeah.
and the 4000. I've done those two with dryers,
Yep.
but I've never done this one with the dryer. So maybe that could be my new target, because there are quite a lot of them in this country.
Yep.
I wouldn't mind standalone dryer. As long as they're PDQ dryers, I'm fine with it.
Yep.
In fact, I'm pretty sure standalone would be even more rarer than this, and I think I've actually seen one with a standalone dryer. The G5 is not offered here though. So yeah, this model here has been retired, so it's no longer in production by PDQ. But the series itself is still a thing. The Laserwash series, you know, lives on as a part of its, obviously as its main. We've got triple foam here. So yeah, this series is PDQ's main series, as we all know. As of course, this used to be made by the Carefree company, then they changed their name to PDQ. This series was invented by a New Zealander, and it was named the Laserwash. There's a reason why it's called the Laserwash.
Yeah. Why?
Because if you kind of look at it, it's actually because the water sprays out like a laser.
That's true.
And nowadays, the term laser wash is what we often use in Australia to call a touch-free machine in general.
Yeah.
This is one of the only two M5s in Canberra, isn't it?
Yeah.
This machine works very well, doesn't it?
It does.
Despite not having any dryers, but works pretty well. Pretty happy with it. To be honest though, my car does need a wash, because it doesn't, because I don't actually park it outside, inside. I actually park it outside my house. I think that's probably our spot free.
Yeah, I reckon so.
And yes, it is. I've noticed I don't even use that electric door anymore.
No, they don't.
Nice old signboard
Are
for...
we done or?
I reckon we could do a bit of a vacuum. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a
I
bit.
think I've got any coins.
Well, there we have it. Not gonna lie, that took very quickly. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next episode. Goodbye.